Choosing the best janitorial company over the lowest cost provider is important because you're trusting this company to come into your workplace with sensitive information and security, and you want to be assured that the people that are coming into your place are the best people available. And we make sure that they are by doing extensive background checks and having all the proper insurance in place so that everyone knows that they have the best.
The cleaning business is not a sexy business, but it's a very necessary business. And I noticed that a lot of people were doing a really bad job at it. And I think that just by going that extra mile that a company I invested in could really make a difference. And that's what's happened.
The things that separate us from the competition is we're putting our people first. Our people are our most important asset, and we know that. And so we treat them accordingly. I heard a long time ago that when business works well, it works well for everyone, your customer, your employees, and for you. So I strive every single day to make sure that all those things are taken care of. If you have a firm understanding of the environment that you're cleaning, you're providing the best service. And there are certain things that need to be cleaned a certain way and with certain chemicals, and we strive every single day to read up, and when things change, we're changing with it. People can get a hold of us on our website where we can book online at zepservices.com, that's ZEP services.com, or they can call us at 313-731-0025.